everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the hidden science behind the world around us. Have you ever noticed how the nature seems to follow secret code from the spirals in the sunflower to the way lightning branches through the sky? These patterns aren't just random. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of patterns in nature and how they shape everything around us. For centuries, scientists, mathematicians, and even artists have been captivated by the way nature follows mathematical rules. Whether that's symmetry of a butterfly, spiral of a hurricane, or the perfect geometry of animals. These patterns help us understand the force shaping of our world. But who figured all this out? Let us meet some of the mind behind this stuff. Johannes Kepler wasn't just about planets. He studied snowflakes and proposed that their six-sided follows a hexagonal close packing pattern. This discovery later contributed to crystallography and even atomic structure.
Leonardo Fibonacci. Ever heard of Fibonacci sequence? This medieval mathematician introduced a number pattern that appear everywhere, from flower petals to the spirals of shells. Even hurricanes follow Fibonacci spirals.
Benoit Mandelbrot. Meet the father of fractals. Mandelbrot's research shows that nature creates complex shapes through self-repeating patterns. That's why coastline, trees, branches, and even clouds look so similar up close and far from away.
Alan Turing. Yes, the genius behind computers also solved a biology mystery. Turing's reaction diffusion model explains how animals develop spots, stripes, and even leopard rosettes.
Nature has an incredible way of creating beauty through patterns. Let's explore some of the most common ones. First up, fractals, found in trees, lightning, and coastlines. These repeating patterns don't just look cool, they're useful in medical imaging, computer graphics, and even wireless network. Next is the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. From sunflowers to galaxy, this number pattern shows up in nature, architecture, and even music. Do you hear that? Well, it's the sound of wave and motion patterns. You'll see them in ocean waves and sound waves. These patterns help us understand everything from earthquakes to harmonics in music. Then there's symmetry in nature. Ever wondered why snowflakes, flowers, and butterflies are so perfectly balanced? Symmetry influences everything from engineering to aerodynamics and even robotics. Let's not forget tessellations, like the hexagon patterns in beehive, which are the most efficient way to store honey. Finally, chaos theory. It helps explain why weather can be so unpredictable. This theory helps us understand natural systems from climate patterns to population growth.
We'll also talk about how these patterns shape our world. Fractals in medicine. Doctors use fractals to analyze MRI scans and even detect diseases. Chaos theory in weather prediction. The butterfly effect helps meteorologists improve climate models. Patterns in artificial intelligence. AI learns by recognizing patterns just like our brains do. Also, nature-inspired engineering. Biomimicry help us design better buildings, robots, and even airplane wings. Lastly, spiral growth in biology. Even how plants grow follows logarithmic spirals.
Patterns in nature aren't just beautiful, they're the blueprints of life itself. From Fibonacci spirals in the galaxy to fractals in human lungs, recognizing these patterns help us to unlock new discoveries in science, technology, and even design. And guess what? There's still so much more to learn. What's your favorite natural pattern? Let us know in the comments.